Hello students, today we are going to discuss BSc second semester AI for all exam. So let's start from the question number first. The question is, what principle do LLMs operate on? The correct answer is next token prediction. Option A is correct. Next question second is, what does an LLM learn during pre-training? The correct option is B, language patterns. Third question is, what is the purpose of fine tuning? The right answer is adapting the model for specific task. Option A is correct. Fourth question, why do LMS learn struggle with reasoning? The right option is they are purely statistical models. Option B is correct. Now fifth question is, why is sarcasm difficult for NLP models? The correct answer is they do not understand tone and intention. Option B is correct. Sixth question is, which type of AI is most used in today's world? The right option is ANI. Option C is correct. Seventh question is, what makes super AI as ASI unique? The correct option is intelligence, creativity, and problem solving beyond humans. Option B is correct. Eighth question, Google Maps real time navigation is an example of. The right option is CANI. Ninth question is, what is the biggest limitation of reactive machines? The right answer is they cannot learn from past experience. Option B is correct. Tenth question is, which of the following is the correct example of reactive AI? The right option is C, IBM Deep Blue chat system. 11th question is, which is the most famous application for RL? The right option is B, AlphaGo. 12th question is, who inspired the design of neural networks? The right answer is human brain neurons. Option A is correct. 13th question is, what is the role of weights in a neural network? The right answer is amplifying or reducing input. Option A is correct. 14th question is, what does an activation function do? The right answer is introduces non-linearity. Option B is correct. 15th question is, what is the biggest drawback of deep learning? The right answer is requires huge data and compute power. Option B is correct. 16th question is, why does NLP struggle with code mixed language like English? The right answer is all of these. Option D is correct. 17th question is, what is the benefit of having a larger context window? The right answer is the model can understand long conversations. Option B is correct. 18th question is, what is the biggest ethical concern in AI? The right answer is bias. Option B is correct. 18th 19th question is, why is privacy important in AI? The right answer is data can be stolen. Option A is correct. 20 question is, what does AI accountability mean? The right answer is who is responsible when the model makes a mistake. Option A is correct. 21 question is, how is machine learning different from AI? The right answer is machine learns from patterns from data. Option B is correct. 22 question is, which technology contributed the most to the modern AI? The right answer is C, neural networks. 23rd question is, what does generalization mean in ML? The right answer is predicting correctly on unseen data. Option B is correct. 24th question is, in supervised learning, what is a label? The right answer is the desired output. Option B is correct. 25th question is, what does linear regression predict? The answer is continuous values. Option B is correct. 26th question is, which is an example of a classification problem? The right answer is detecting whether an email is a spam. 27th question is what does overfitting mean? The right answer is the model learned the training data too much. The correct option is B. 28th question is which method helps prevent overfitting? The right answer is the right answer is B, regularization. 29th 29th question is in RL what is a policy? The right answer is the method used by the agent to select actions. Option B is correct. 30th question is what is the importance of reward in RL? The right answer is teachers the agent correct behavior.